Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. This is my day 19 video of 75 days hard challenge of spoken English. My name is Nikita, and first of all I am telling to all of you I have completed my 75 minutes daily task. What is my 75 minutes daily task? Listening, reading, writing, and speaking. This is my daily task, and it is a very importance. In my opinion, it is a very importance. Without listening, speaking, reading, and writing, you can't speak in English. Then let's start. Today my topic is daily conversation. How to daily conversation. First of all, hi, hello, how are you? I am fine. How about you? I am also fine. What's your name? My name is Nikita. And what's your name? My name is Sneha. Where do you live? I live in Jharkhand. And you? I live in Kolkata. What do you do? I am a student. And you? I am also a student. What's your hobby? My hobby is learning new things and cooking. And what's your hobby? My hobby is cooking. Can you speak another language? Yes, I can speak another language, and I also know Hindi language. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is black, and my favorite color is blue. And how many members in your family? There are 6 members in my family, and we are a joint family. And you? I am a nuclear family. Oh yeah, good. So guys, this is just some conversation, and you can you use this in spoken English. This is the some easy sentences, and you also conversation with your brother, friend, and also yourself. That is the some conversation. Thank you.